Hello children, you might be seeing many posters daily, isn't it? They may be of movie posters, announcements, competitions, etc. What is a poster? A poster is a card or a piece of printed paper carrying some announcement, advertisement, competitions, etc. Poster includes both textual and graphic elements. Posters are designed to be both eye-catching and informative. It is self-explanatory. It can be used to promote a product, announcement. A poster is a very useful medium to create social awareness and issues related to current problems like COVID-19 at present. Children, let us learn poster making. It is one of the minor discourses for you. Children, poster should be designed in a single page. It has a title on the top. It has diagram. It has a text related to the topic. And at the end, issuing authority. All this content should be kept in a big box. Children, let us see in detail the poster making and the points to be kept in mind while designing a poster. Children, begin poster with a title. Title should be short and eye-catching. It should be written in capital letters. For example, save water, save life. Speed thrills but kills. Say no to alcohol. Next, you should draw diagrams, one or two, related to the topic. The text of the poster should be short and message oriented. You have to use captions, slogans, etc. If the poster is about any announcement, you should give complete information about the program, like venue, date, time, occasion. Children, you have to remember the size of the letters used in the poster should be different. In a title, you should write in big font size, and other text use medium size letters. At the end of the poster, you have to mention issuing authority with address and contact number. And you have to keep all the contents in a big box. Children, you have seen how to make a poster. Now, let us practice one poster. Imagine you are the head boy or girl. You want to develop awareness among students about how to save a water. Prepare a poster and display it. Children, here is a poster. The title is Save Water, Save Life. Here is a diagram related to the topic, and the text is written in the form of slogans. Save water today, use water tomorrow. Water is a priceless treasure. Don't use running taps. Conserving water is conserving life. At the end, issued by head boy. All the contents have been put in a big box. This is the layout of a poster. This is a poster given in Unit 1. It is about the announcement. So the poster is giving the important information about the program. You can find it. Children, let us take some more questions for practicing poster. Imagine you are NGC volunteer. Your school is planning to conduct plantation program on the occasion of World Environment Day. Prepare a poster. Imagine you are sports secretary. Your school is planning to conduct inter-school sports competition. Prepare a poster. Imagine you are the secretary of Ambedkar Youth Club. You want to conduct blood donation camp on the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti. Prepare a poster. Plastic usage is increasing in our day-to-day life. It is harmful to us and polluting our surroundings also. Prepare a poster to develop awareness among people to stop plastic usage and save nature. Imagine you are the head boy or girl. You want to develop awareness among students about safety measures to be taken to protect ourselves from coronavirus. Prepare a poster. Children, you have seen poster making and keep practicing poster for these questions.